Kasorka jela kalathung da kajing tohkit ne ka departmental inquiry bansai perthelot ya kajing keno bagadon kajing sam da kitin sopiing ki bastang syakipat ba kajela ya kani la ya thu do Myntri katnat housing kasorka jela o Markus and Marak da ka papentip ru ba kani kajing tohkit kadai halor kajing ujor da kaseng HYC bagadon kajing sam da katin stang syakipat ba limba ki blok bapher
2-3 days back, I received a complaint through my mail from HYC. They have complained that the CGI sheets which is being distributed to the people through housing department is of not quality that department is supplying. For this issue, I have verified from the departments. This is all as per the specification, as per the requirement agreed upon with the company. It is supplied to the people, and we have gone for the supply of corrugated aluminum sheet instead of CGI sheet, which is corrugated galvanized iron sheet. Iron sheets are heavier, but aluminum sheets are lighter, but better, very much better, lighter, and then lasting wise, aluminum sheets are more lasting. It's having more lasting because CJ sheets are getting rusted very soon. So therefore, the department has decided to procure aluminum sheets through proper tendering process, which has been done last 2 years back, in the year 2022, in the last government. So the company was given tendering of 24 months. So 24 months ended this year in the month of March. So therefore, we don't have any option but to give to them. And the materials supplied by them are also of good quality as per the specification. Nonetheless, this NGOs has also put up a complaint. They have gone to the storerooms of the housing department. So I have ordered an inquiry. We are going for a proper inquiry now, and only after the inquiry, I will be able to justify whether we are procured the same quality which we have already placed an order for supplied. So therefore, I'll get back to you once the inquiry is completed. Now the complaint has come to me, so I have ordered for the departmental inquiry. They have put up a blame for the directorate, so I have asked the joint secretary to go for the inquiry along with technical teams. It is taking around 30-35 days. It has to go to the entire state go down. So once the inquiry is given, we'll get back to you. I would say, as per the report that I'm getting, there are no irregularities. Nonetheless, but see, the complaint was there, so I'm putting up an inquiry. Definitely, once the inquiry is completed, if we find some irregularities, definitely we'll go for that. And I will make sure that if officials are involved, we'll make sure that we'll fix up the officials as well. As per the this thing order from the government is 0.45 mm.